they are tremendous assets to the community. And oftentimes they don't know that. And they just need to have that encouragement, that support to keep going.
Chad McComas is the board chairman for Compass House, a clubhouse model of psychosocial rehabilitation. When the Daysel Drop-In Center and Hawthorne Center went out of business, those with mental illness in Jackson County were left in the dark.
And so often they're trapped at home somewhere and they have no place to go. And we want to get them out of that isolation, get them back into the community.
Last year, Hawthorne Center merged its assets into Daysel, formally changing its name to Compass House. McComas says the clubhouse is a place where members can take a few hours to stop focusing on their disabilities and strengthen their abilities.
Come and realize that there's help available for them and that they're not an outcast of society. There's a place where they can come and kind of put their lives back together.
But the group that's often overlooked, youth with mental illness.
Provide a different layer of prevention and support and an opportunity for them to learn new ways of coping and living. And Jackson County just hasn't had very much of that.
Bob Lieberman has worked with children with mental health challenges most of his adult life. As the chief executive officer for Kairos, a Grants Pass-based treatment center that works with at-risk youth, he's dedicated to transforming healthcare and safety nets for kids and young adults with mental disabilities.
It is about helping them not feel alone, helping them feel like there's hope in life. And it starts with empathy.
Kairos is working with Jackson County Mental Health, Youth Group Oregon, and several local companies to open MEDFORD Drop, also known as the Hub.
We're really excited to be able to bring this into the community.
I'm the program manager here at Youth Move Oregon and our MEDFORD Drop-In Center.
Teens and young adults ages 14 through 24 will work with staff who have suffered with mental disorders themselves.
Someone who's been there and had the experience can often be very effective at helping people feel supported, feel like they're not alone, feel like there's hope in life.
The computer lab here at the Drop-In Center will be used to teach youth computer skills they can utilize in their daily lives to help them transition into adulthood. One of those skills, computer coding. The Hub offers a character academy where members will make their own apps and then try to sell them. A portion of app sales will be recycled back into the center's budget. Youth will also have the opportunity to take leadership classes and volunteer around the community.
Kind of learn how to manage their challenges better, find their assets, find their strengths, and move on to better things in their lives.
Kairos is partnering with Jackson County Mental Health on several other major projects. One of those includes an outreach program where state mental health associates go to a family's home to teach and practice with children skills they're having trouble with.
These are they're good kids, no such thing as a bad kid. And they have challenges in terms of their neurological development, and there's a lot we can do just with these kinds of resources to help things get better.
The same organizations have also bought a brand new home in MEDFORD. It'll be used as a crisis respite treatment foster home. Lieberman explains hospitals don't have the resources to treat children in crisis. The foster home is a place where children will be taken during a meltdown, but don't necessarily need to be hospitalized.
I think for any of us walking into an emergency room, they make us anxious, they make us nervous, they're kind of traumatizing in a way. And they make us feel like we don't have much control because there's a lot of people who are hurting in a very serious way.
In the end, it doesn't matter if a person is young or old, at risk or not. What matters is everyone is on their way to a brighter future.
It's a bunch of people coming together and saying, let's figure out the best way we can try to make a difference in the lives of these people.
Covering your news, Ashley Carrasco, News 10.